Anthony now begins paying the price for his conviction. Austin Metcalf's father tonight is talking only with our JD Miles about the price that his family is paying.
Because a lie is temporary, but the truth
is forever.
Lasts forever.
Jeff Metcalf finally had a chance to read the words he's been writing in a notebook to address his son's killer.
Read that whole thing. I'm here.
People think that grief is sadness, but it's not. It's rage.
Oh.
Pure, unfiltered rage. You failed yourself, you failed your parents, you failed society. You don't belong in this community.
That's correct.
Metcalf's victim impact statement came at the end of Karmelo Anthony's murder trial. For months, the father of Austin Metcalf has been silenced by a gag order imposed by the judge.
What? Why? That's some foolishness, man. See, the thing about this is we all have the internet. So everybody's gonna know something. This is damn near like trying to judge a celebrity in the early 2000s when the internet wasn't even, when everybody didn't have access to the internet. There's gonna be a magazine or there's gonna be a newspaper or something. So getting his side of the story, I don't think would tamper with anything because we have Karmelo's side of the story this whole time.
Now he's free to speak publicly and says he's also free of something else.
When I woke up this morning, it was a very different feeling. When I woke up, I felt like 1,000,000 pounds had been lifted off my shoulders.
Really?
Because I used to wake up every morning
Angry as
with
hell.
this anxiety, with this feeling of dread.
Whew.
And this morning was the first day I woke up
Felt free.
with a feeling of peace, comfort, tranquility that I haven't experienced in 14 months. And I felt Austin.
Metcalf was in court every day of Anthony's trial. The 19-year-old, now convicted murderer, not only took his son
Why you
Austin's
had to put him in that slave shirt like that? Like, come on, bro. This is like the skinny Green
Trial.
Mile shirt.
19
Have y'all seen Green Mile? That's what this reminds me of. This boy been in the house the whole time. You see the difference in his color? Been in the house the whole time, man. No stubble. You can see a little bit. That's the same mustache I had when I was born. Got that little, that baby ass mustache, trying to make himself look like a baby. You're not a baby.
year-old, now convicted murderer, not only took his son Austin's life, he did it right in front of Austin's twin brother, Hunter.
What killed me was the body cam footage when I could hear Hunter screaming.
Oh, wow.
Oh God, my brother, my twin.
They're going to release that body cam Texas. Somebody's going to be able to obtain that body cam footage in about a year, maybe 2 years. That's going to go crazy. Oh, that sucks.
You know, as a parent, you always want to protect your kids.
Of course.
And to hear my son and the fear in his voice, and I'm not there to fix it.
What was it like sitting in that courtroom with Karmelo Anthony for 5 or 6 days?
Challenging is the first word that comes to my mind. And I'll even say this. I had a little bit of sorrow because I'm human. And that poor boy is fixing to experience a life that I would not wish upon anyone.
Metcalf says even today he's received death threats and has previously endured doxing of his personal information and multiple swatting calls to his house from people who he says have tried to villainize Austin and the family.
I would hope they take a look in the mirror. And if you have children, and if it was your child who was murdered, would you like people dragging his name through the mud, making memes, making jokes, and just really vile comments?
Cruel.
Where do you and the
Cruel. I went on Facebook yesterday, not even for that, for something totally unrelated. And I saw so many horrible, bro, memes of people calling him a bully with pictures of him, AI pictures of him laying in the casket with a t-shirt on saying I shouldn't have bullied this person, and just everybody was saying smoking that. I don't even want to repeat that, bro, but just terrible, bro. You niggas have the technology to do all of these horrible things. Nigga, get you some money. You're not even making money off this, which you shouldn't, but you could be doing something more constructive is what I'm getting at.
Metcalf family go from here?
Well, I mean, this is day one of a long healing process. Because honestly, it's been impossible to start healing until this trial was complete.
The trial may be over, but the racial polarization among Americans on display outside the Collin County Courthouse continues.
Take that nigga
Look
to jail.
at the
Laughing with your tongue out like a thought tongue.
Display outside the Collin County Courthouse
Take that thought to
continues.
jail.
Look at the effect, not just the effect here between the Metcalf family and the Anthony family. Look what it did, one, to those kids they have to live with. Two, it took on this huge, wider, let's have a race war throughout the nation.
Metcalf insists that his son had no racist motives when he approached Anthony about leaving a track team tent.
This case was never about race.
There's going to be those people now that just, you know, try to throw shade on the whole trial with the jury makeup and the speed of it and that sort of thing. I mean,
Well, those are the same people that said he was jumped by 4 people, his phone was broken. You're going to spin whatever story to try to keep yourself afloat.
Metcalf believes Anthony should have received a life sentence. He says if Anthony is up for parole in 17 years, he will be there in some form to argue against it.
If I'm still
What? You can't be there during the... I think sometimes maybe in Texas they do that, but usually when people go to parole, they go in front of a parole board with it's a closed meeting. But sometimes the victims can give a victim impact statement, but if he's, able to do that, all power to him.
live, yes, I will be there in person. If not, I am going to make a video, if I'm passed on, that can be played.
There are no walls in
Damn.
Metcalf's home
I
without
feel
photos
you.
or paintings of Austin and his twin. These images and a scholarship in his son's name
Whew.
are what remain for this father, who says he's ready to finally forgive, but not forget.
But people need to understand about forgiveness. Forgiveness was not for him. Forgiveness was for me, so I don't carry the rage, the hate, and that around. It will eat me up like cancer.
J.D. Miles,
Wise.
CBS News, Texas.
That was very wise. That was very heartbreaking to say the least. But it is what it is. It's not what it's not. It's Aaron Moses. I'm the bang, you the bang, we the bang together, man. We praying for the families, but more so for the Metcalf family, man. Keep Karmelo. Peace.